Philips PUS 8518 and PUS 8558 Ambilight Google TVs. Main specifications are HDR formats are HLG Dolby Vision in 4K up to max. 120 Hz possible. Input HDR10 plus. Gaming features are VRR for 4K from 4120 Hz, AMD FreeSync Premium, Dolby Vision Game, HDMI VR, HG on HDMI 1, and HDMI 2, 4K 120 Hz VR playback at 1080p in vertical resolution, ultra motion clarity. Is then active, HDMI 2.0, HDMI HD CP 2.3 ARC. HDMI 2.1, processing 4K at 120 Hz, HDCP 2.3 ERC to HDMI 2, bandwidth of 48 Gbps, Chroma 4, 4.4, 12-bit, Sound 2. X Sound System, DTS Play 5. P5 AI Perfect Picture Engine optimizes the image to deliver ultra-sharp, vivid, and smooth images. HDR10 plus Dolby Vision and HLG improve color, contrast, and brightness. 60Hz refresh rate, auto low input lag setting, HMDI 2.1 and VRR. Everything you need for a great game. With Google TV, you can access applications such as Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, and YouTube, use voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant, and enjoy HBTV Interactive TV.